Today we're going to be working on a Bosch dishwasher. The problem that we having with this model is that it's flashing E23 and E24. The model number is on the display. The other complaint is that it's making a loud noise. Welcome to DIY Repair Now. Read all the warnings, and during this video you will see one or more of these icons to help you do this repair safe. According to the homeowner, is making a whining noise. We're gonna start by disconnecting the drain hose to be able to pull it out. Now we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver to remove the clamp that secures the drain hose. Then after you got it loose, just remove the drain hose from the garbage disposal and just lean the drain hose around. Make sure you don't lose that clamp, and disconnect the water supply tube from the valve. The next thing you're gonna do is remove the bottom panel of the dishwasher. There's one screw on the left and one screw on the side. There should be a Phillips screw or 1/4 screws. Then you're gonna go ahead and loose the legs to be able to get the dishwasher loose. You also gotta look for screws on the side of the dishwasher, because sometimes it's screwed to the cabinets. I already have removed screws. There was two Phillips screws holding the dishwasher in place, and just wiggle it out after you adjust. After you lose the screws and the legs. Now sometimes this electrical wire is not going to be long enough for you to pull the dishwasher out, so you will have to turn off the breaker and disconnect it, and disconnect the electrical wire as well. But in my case, I had enough wire to be able to pull the dishwasher out and just lean it to the side. Now today we're going to be replacing the circulation pump, because every time that it's doing the wash cycle is when it's making that whining noise. If the noise would be doing it while it's draining, then you would have to replace the drain pump. But in this case, it's the circulation pump. Now I didn't know, but the new pump brings a clamp for the attachment. In the back you will see a piece of rubber that is holding the pump in place. Trying to get that piece on camera. It's a tight spot, but as you see, got it loose. And this is the way you remove the pump. Remove all three harness on the circulation pump, and you will see it has some tabs that you have to release to be able to remove the harness. You just press and release, and just remove the old pump on the side. And since we got a new clamp on with the new pump, we're just gonna remove the existing clamp, because that one, it was already pre-adjusted and the one that comes with the new pump, you can adjust it however you want. Now we're gonna begin to install the harness. You can go ahead and install the pump first and then install the wires, or do it the way I'm doing it on the video, which is install the harness before you install the pump. You can do it either way. It all depends on which way you lean the dishwasher, to the left or to the right, and just do it however is more convenient for you. Now remember, it's a rubber clamp in the back that secures the pump in place from moving and vibrate. Just put it in place. After you got the pump in place, as you see right there, just make sure it's installed correctly, and use your Philly head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, to adjust the clamp on the rubber hose. Just make sure it's secure. Now we're gonna go ahead and fish the water supply tube inside. Remember, you can also disconnect it at the dishwasher. I always prefer to disconnect this tube on the water valve, but you guys have to know that, you know, after a while these valves start leaking, and you just got to make sure after you shut off the valve or after you open the water valve, it's not leaking anymore, or it's not leaking at all. Now we're gonna go ahead and insert the dishwasher back in place. Look like we have a problem with the inlet tube. Trying to get it back in the hole. They make this piece very short, so I'm having a little hard time trying to get it in back in the hole to be able to reconnect it on the other side. As you see, I'm pushing it back in place. Finally got it, and now we're just going to connect it back on the water valve. And as I was saying, just use your adjustable pliers to tie the inlet water tube. I'm trying to do this by myself, so sometimes I don't get some parts on camera, but I'm doing the best I can. Let's try one more time. Looks like we got it this time. And make sure you tighten it right. Remember, when you're gonna get loose, you go counterclockwise, and when you're gonna tighten it, you go clockwise. Now what I'm doing now is open the water valve. Go ahead and put it back in place. And I'm just trying to grab the screws that I have removed before. The screw's not supposed to be there, but they fell in there, so don't pay attention of this part of the video. If this clip gets loose on you, just look how it goes. And that's the way it should go. I'm having a little hard time trying to put it back in place because the customer said it was leaning around, so somehow when he was trying to find out what was going on with the dishwasher, this piece got loose, and that's where it goes. Now we're gonna put the filter back in place, and as you see, it has an error, and just twist it and it should secure back in place. Remember, we got the legs loose to be able to loose the dishwasher. Just go ahead and adjust the legs the way they were, because otherwise the dishwasher can be loose, and when it's on it will start vibrate a lot and it can become noisy. You can do it by hand, or you can do it with your channel locks. Remember that it has 2 screws that goes on each side to secure the dishwasher better. Sometimes they will be secure on the top, but in this case the countertop is marble or material that cannot be drilled or screwed, so they put the screws on the side. Just look for the spot and just try to put the screws where they were before, and that way you know that it is gonna be sitting at the same spot than before. You gotta remember, if you don't adjust the legs the way they were, the hole and the cabinet is not gonna match where the screw goes, so you just have to make sure you adjust the legs the way they were to be able to put the screws right where they were before. I already have turned on the breaker and everything is still good. Now what we're gonna do is install before we turn it on and do anything. We don't want water to get around. Make sure it's not leaking around the water valve, and we're gonna go ahead and reattach our drain hose to the garbage disposal. In your case, it might be hooked up to the drain line, but in this case, it's on the garbage disposal. And the same way you remove it, you will adjust it back with the screwdriver. Make sure go ahead and tighten your clamp on your drain hose. Might give you a hard time, but just make sure it's adjusted correctly. And at this point, I'm just go ahead and run the dishwasher while I put the bottom panel. We are pretty much done. Now we're just gonna pick up our tools, which in this repair we made a big mess. Put our tools back in the tool bag, and the old part on the backs. As you see, everything is back to normal. It's no more noise. It's no more E23 or E24. Make sure nothing is leaking. Put your racks back in place. And we're pretty much done. That's it for this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel.
Alright guys, if this video helped you in any way, you can show us appreciation by giving us a tip using the following options that you see on the screen. If you cannot provide with a tip, is another way to support this channel by just dropping off a comment in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and turn on the bell to receive notifications. Thanks for watching.